show house for Cameron Homes, and the options are shown here so that buyers can choose what they'd like done, preferably before completion. We have one wall that is fully clad from floor to ceiling with FlexiPanel, and on there is a whole range of units, for instance a bike rack, shelving, cupboards, workbench, hooks and hangers. These can go anywhere on the wall. The other wall has been fitted with our FlexiTrack, which has lengths of track that go where you want it on the wall, and in this instance we've managed to fit some shelves, cupboard, hooks, hangers, baskets, and that's really a gardening zone. The beauty of this system is that without it you move into a new house that has lovely red brick walls but no storage. Get it fitted out beforehand, before completion, and you've got somewhere to put everything straight away. The other part of the garage that we fitted was the floor, and this has interlocking floor tiles, in this instance graphite with a red border, that complements the whole garage, makes it dust free and a nice place to move into on day one.